So last time we have opened the application and launched the URL, and after launching we have provided inputs. Before that, close the model. We have selected Pune, and from destination what's Pune airport. We are going to Mumbai and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Airport, Mumbai. And date I'm selecting is 9, and return I'm selecting 11. You have to make sure you click on the round trip, and I'll click on search. Till now we have completed this operation, but using Selenium the make my trip does not allow further operation. So here you see false, you just have to click on the true. So I have my URL, so I'm copy pasting this. Now URL is there. I want to select Vistara flight, and I will select flight button. I will click on book now. After clicking on book now, I'll scroll down. I will select no. I will book without trip secure, and you have to click on the add button. Here you have to give your first name, last name, select gender. Rest of the text boxes are optional, and mobile number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's the and email, and you have to select state, or you can just click on the confirm. Click on the confirm and click on the continue button. Then details will be submitted. You will receive this pop-up, and you just have to click on this confirm. You have to capture the XPath of this confirm button, and click option, and then after you will redirect it to this page. Now I will not be selecting the sets, and I will click on the skip to add-ons button. Once you click on skip to add-ons, all the details will be submitted, and you will be redirected to payment options. You have to click on proceed to pay. Once you click on the proceed to pay, you have to enter card number, name on the card, expiry, year, CVV, and you will try to click on pay now. You will be asking few more text boxes there. You have to fill all the text boxes, and then after you have to click on the pay now. So all these actions, these are summarized into book flight object, that is booking the Vistara flight, and fill details object, that is the filling the all the details, GST, state, continue button, and letter payment. So all three object files I have created, and to call this object I have created three test cases: 1, 2, and 3. Later on I have created end-to-end test case, but we'll discuss that later. Let's quickly dive into the second object file. So here I have uh, written WebDriver driver that as a class object, and constructed to initialize the object. Then I have selected Vistara flight. This is the expert for the Vistara. Please note that flight details are constantly changing. You will sometimes you will see there are two flights available. Sometimes there will be 10, sometimes there will be 100 flights. So if you don't modify that your expert accordingly, then your test case will be failed. So you have to make sure that the flight number, flight name, and flight count is correct. Then this is the details button. Uh, the price summary on the and the flight summary from to destination. Then click on the book now button, and these are the public methods to perform actions on the web element object. So this is the verify Vistara flight. This is the flight summary, and this method is to capture flight details uh, from which destination to which destination, and what is the time, what airport it will be alighting. All the details I have faced here, and this is one for verify book flight, uh, book now button. And I have created this test case to call all the methods present in the book flight object. So here I have extended a base class, and the browser setup I have called from the browser setup from the base class. So this is the browser setup. All the browser setup, all the prerequisite required to perform this test case are written in the before test. It will run before the my actual test case. So prerequisite to launch browser setup are here, and these are the methods, or we can say prerequisite to search flight are mentioned in the before test. And this is our actual test cases, and you can see description test case to implement book flight object parent class. So this is the method, and using reference variable I have called all three methods, and in the base class I have also created object file, object of the my class, and this is book flight object bfo, and I have also created object here. And using this reference variable I'm calling all the methods which I have written in the all three methods I have written in the second module. Then we have third module. Same, this is for the filling the details. At same you can see driver, and these are the uh, mm, web elements. You will see sometime you will see pop-up. You have to click on the continue button or OK button, dismiss button. So your execution will be as good as or it will be expected. And these are the web element object to fill necessary details. You can see checkbox were there, and first name, last name, gender, mobile number was there, email id. uh, so you have to fill all the details, and you have to click on the that checkbox, continue button, confirm button, and these are the methods to perform actions on this. So you can see here uh, after this page is opening in a new window. So I have implemented window handling concept here. Basically I have uh, captured session IDs, and I have using for loop I have implemented one condition. If the parent ID is not equal to the child session ID, then I want Selenium to switch to the new tab from the parent tab. Uh, So these are the methods I have written here: gender selection, mobile number. Okay. So we'll discuss this method later. Thank you.